ActiveCampaign ConvertBox Referring URL. In this video, we're going to cover how you can capture the referring URL to your website and push it into ActiveCampaign. This is a little bit different than what ConvertBox considers the referring URL, and I'll show you as we go along. But for this to work, inside ActiveCampaign, we're going to create two custom fields. We're going to create these same hidden fields in ConvertBox, and notice the names are identical and there's an underscore between each word. That's important. And then in WordPress, we're going to install the Refer Analytics plugin and also the ConvertBox plugin. So let's dive right in. Inside your ActiveCampaign account, you're going to want to create a couple custom fields, and it seems like the way to do so has changed a little bit, but you can go inside a contact record and click on Manage Fields. Both of these fields can be either text or hidden, or text. So there's the first one, you can put them in a group if you want. The first one's landing page, and then the second one is referring URL. So those will get populated based on the ConvertBox form submission. Now, inside ConvertBox, I'm going to assume you know how to set up a ConvertBox. The important part is the form. So click on the form, go to Form Settings. We're going to add a couple hidden fields right here. So the first one's going to be the landing page. So I'm going to actually, it needs to be a hidden text field. We don't want it to show up on the form. This is the identifier. And then we want a pre-fill field with the sign up URL. Click on Add Field. The next one is another hidden text field. And this is the referring URL. We're going to pre-fill field from a cookie value. And for the plugin we're using, this is what you want to paste right here. It's referring-analytics-referrer_URL. Add that field. Under Actions, there's nothing we need to do. Close the ConvertBox, whatever it is you want to do. And then we want to make sure they get added to ActiveCampaign. Doesn't matter what you do with them. I'm just going to put them on a list. You can put them into an automation, add another tag, whatever you want to do. Click on Add. Click on Save. So these are really the two plugins we need. ConvertBox, you'll have to put in your special code to activate it. For analytics, we're going to go into Settings. My recommendation is you probably want to expand this. Now, the downside of this potentially is if somebody comes back after 30 days, the cookies have been cleared, or they're on a different device, but they sign up with the same email address, it's possible that that referring URL is going to get overwritten. So if you want to do something with it, do something with it relatively quickly. The only thing you really have to do is enable the store cookies. So 30 days at least, and my recommendation would be to do it some more if you want to log stuff. And then just to be clear, let's go back here. Just go through next, and I'm just going to have it fire as many times based on abandoned page and only for testing purposes. I'm going to basically allow it to do whatever it wants. Go ahead and finish. So now let's go test this out. Notice it's IntegratePro.net/temp hello. Now the refer is only going to pick up the first part here. So I'm going to go to a different site where my WordPress ConvertBox Refer Analytics is installed. I'm going to click on that. And I've got it set up so that when I try and leave, there it is. Let's change this to refer. So this is the page that I'm on. That should be captured, and IntegratePro.net should be the referring URL. And let's just make sure I am not already in here. Pretty sure I'm not. Come back here. I've been added. So there's the landing page, and then there's the referring URL. So that's ActiveCampaign ConvertBox Referring URL.